Hi guys, it's fall time. It's fall season na. So we're here in the park. We've been here last year. So it's been a year, Nux. It's been a year since the last time we visited this park. We were here just to take pictures, okay?
So we're here at Jean Colon Park here at downtown Renton. Right next to it is the Lake Washington at the back of me, but I don't know if it's really the Lake Washington. There's a car, watch out guys.
That's so far away. I don't.
So the last time we were here, this piece of land.
This area was covered with leaves.
Yeah, but right now it's just leaves.
Okay, so today, I don't know what park are we at. Hey, I'm gonna get run over. Look at them, huh? What is that? Today is a good day. We ate at, where did we eat? Look at them, they're posing. It's okay because my friend, I don't really need to look nice because my friends are not gonna watch this, so I don't have friends here, so except for one. I can't say her name because I didn't get permission. What are you trying to do? Ma'am? That's illegal?
No, it's not.
Whoa, 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 look at him, look at him. Catch the leaf. So today's such
Sorry.
he wants to kill me, you know? Like, I don't know how to vlog, honestly, and he told me to do this. Look at them. They make like, look. When I make like, look, nee, nee, nee. She was ashamed. Okay, babe. Look here. They're trying to, I don't know what they're trying to do. I think he's trying to put the leaf as her eye. I don't know. Cause sweet bah. Hey, you have to add this. Oh, ting, ting, ting. We're gonna go see the lake. I'll be back in a few. Okay, madam, how do you feel? She's freezing, but I feel so good. How do you say that in the sign? Tug now. Tug now. I really want to swim because, you know, I'm from Hawaii. Hawaii. The lighting is
Extravagant.
A1.
Extravagant. Welcome to my vlog, and today is, as you can see behind of me, is the Lake Washington.
Look at her.
She's freezing cold. Oh.
You're really put out. Isn't put out you look okay, I don't know if you can. Oh, that's too bright. If I go like this, it's a silhouette of me. Yeah. But if I go like this, I can't even see what the heck I'm. Oh, seagull. They dragged me here. Oh, spinning bars, spinning bars. I hope he doesn't put this inside the vlog because I don't know how to vlog. This is so awkward. People are watching me, but I don't really care because they don't know me. And this is the first time they're gonna see me because, yeah. We're gonna go for the geese. Oh, they're talking to me. There's so much of them. Bing. Okay, you're gonna see a lot of feet pictures of me because my phone died, so I had to take over the vlog channel. Hey, friend. So there's doo-doo. Can you slow down? Look at that. There's a lot of doo-doo.
That's why.
Ming, 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 ming. Baby shark. Okay, so kids.
Baby shark. Mommy shark.
It's together with your wrist. Yeah. Daddy shark. You have to add this. They're good gnats.
Huh? What's that?
There's gnats. But this lighting is A1. Okay, yeah, I can't see. I'm blind. I'm serious now. I'm gonna vlog. So today is a good day. We went shopping. I don't know how to vlog, so bear with me. And he's like joking. Like, yes.
I'm vlogging while you vlog, okay?
People are watching us while they're eating their chowder. So we're going back to the car because somebody's cold. We drove out here to see the view and walk. Somebody's staring at me. You can stare at me. I don't really care. But
You don't care, bro? Oh, sister?
somebody thinks they're Hawaiian. Hawaiian? Look at her. She's running to her car. Oh, sorry. Oh, that's not a license plate. You can follow us if you like. Focus. Oh, don't focus. You can see my pimples. Am I right?
Tugno kayo.
I don't know how she's gonna survive Christmas. Oh, no, don't focus on that.
Winter.
My darling, I love you.